Remaining moments of the first half. Here's Washington. Yes, sir.
That's a nice pass by Mac Cardona. Touch pass just so that the defense could not react. They're playing zone, talking about Pure Foods. If you pass the ball quickly, ang hirap sumabay sa bola.
2 minutes remaining in the first half. Here's Ralimi. Hook shot is good.
We talked about ito si Ralimi. Hindi masyado marami yung offensive moves niya, but he is still top scoring for his team. He has 9. The next guy, the next local is 4.
Washington inside, McGee. Dalawa-dalawa yung sumalubong kay McGee.
And he's just making himself available there. Ito si Aaron McGee. Pag umiikot yung bola at maganda yung ikot ng bola ng talk and text, he will find himself open. At that time around, going again to the free throw line, ito si Aaron McGee. He has struggled though in the free throw line sa lalong ito. Only 3 out of 7. 4 out of 8 at this point.
Si Ralimi ang tinawagan ng foul is second personal. Penalty ng Pure Foods. That's a foul against Alapag in the backcourt.
Apparently, he's not that sick. Usually, pag mahina yung katawan mo, one of the first things that you don't want to do if you're a point guard is give full court pressure kasi nakakapagod talaga yon. So, apparently, although Jimmy didn't practice, still has enough legs, enough stamina in him.
1 minute and 19 to go bago matapos ang second quarter. That's a tap out by Ritualo. That will leave Pure Foods with 9 on the shot clock. It's offensive foul here.